just wonderful. Belle will be so delighted to see you. Just wait till she sees your performance. It'll be fabulous. Now, Lumiere will be calling you in soon, and when he does, file into the library quickly and take your seats. Oh, and remember, it's a surprise! So, mum's the word.
All right, friends, Lumiere will call us in. Our cast is going to go in first. So if you're not holding a part, you're going to stay where you are. I'm going to get my cast situated, and then we will follow.